So hello, I'm Sumit Srinath and today we are going to do MCQ true and false and fill in the blank like question from the chapter Democracy and Diversity. And just your homework is write the definition of diversity in the comment section. So starting without wasting our time with the question 1. By the end of 17th century, people got the liberty of speech, choosing government both A and B and none of the above. And his correct answer is choosing government, that is democracy. Now question 2. Tommy Smith and John Carlos belong to which ethnic group of America? African American, Black American, American tribe, Asian American. And its correct answer is option A, African American. Now question 3. In which year Olympics were held in the Mexico City? 1988, 1986, 1968, and the last one 1966. And its correct answer is 1968. And now question 4. End of racism in USA was led by Black Power movement, racism movement, both A and B, none of the above. And its correct answer is option A, Black Power movement. Now question 5. Which of the term is to refer mainly to the descendants of Africans who were brought into Americas as slaves between 17th and early 19th century? Asian Americans, Black Americans, African slaves, Native Africans. Native Americans. And its correct answer is option B, Black Americans. Now question 6. In North Ireland, difference between Protestant and Roman Catholics led to civil war, social division, social difference, and none of the above. And its correct answer is option A, civil war. Now question 7. Who won the silver medal in 200-meter race in Mexico Olympics 1968? John Carlos, Peter Smith, Tommy Smith, and Peter Norman. And its answer is Peter Norman. Now question 8. Uniqueness about the 1968 Olympics held at Mexico. Racism was ended by US. US athlete won all the silver medals. Afro-American athlete protested against racial discrimination in USA. Mexico organized Olympics for 3 consecutive years. And its correct answer is option C. I think you have read. Now question 9. The government which can balance plural diversity is democracy, authoritarian, military rule, none of the above. And its correct answer is democracy, as is in India is doing that. Now question 10. The French Revolution was influenced by the French philosopher Rousseau, Montesquieu, Cornwallis, and James II. And it is very important. It is Montesquieu. I think he has written an anthem. Write down in the comment which one was that. Now question 11. Who won the gold medal in 200-meter race in Mexico Olympics 1968? I think this question is repeating. So anyway, Tommy Smith, Peter Norman, Peter Smith, and John Carlos. Now option A is the correct answer. Now question 12. Who won the bronze medal in 200-meter race in Mexico Olympics 1968? It was gold and it is bronze. Peter Smith, John Carlos, Peter Norman, and Tommy Smith, and its correct answer is option B, John Carlos. Now question 13. Civil rights movement in US was led by Martin Luther King, Martin Luther King Jr., all of the above. And its correct answer is Martin Luther King Jr. Now question 14. How many countries merged after disintegration of Yugoslavia? 5, 4, 6, and 3. And its correct answer is 6. Countries were submerged. Now question 15. The ideas of Rousseau and Voltaire influenced the American people, Indian people, European people, and none of the above. And I think it's European people. Yes, it is the correct answer. Now question 16. Which country have political and religious relation with the Northern Ireland, Germany, UK, USA, and Scotland? And its correct answer is UK. UK is the correct answer. Now question 17. Who represents the interest of Catholics in the Northern Ireland? Socialists, Liberals, Nationalists, Unionists? And its answer is option C. Now question 18. Who represent the interest of Protestant in the Northern Ireland? Republicanist, Unionist, Liberals and Socialists. Having troubles. Now question option B is the correct answer. Unionist. Now question 19. India is a vast country with languages, communities, religions, all of the above. And option D is the correct answer. Who don't know that? Now question 20. What is the percentage of Protestant in Northern Ireland? 43, 67, 2 and 53. And its answer is 53. Now moving to the question 28, 21. Which of the following governments can accommodate diversity? Communalism, democracy, dictatorship and monarchy. And it's democracy. Now question 22. Which origin of democracy for ordinary people date back to 1988, 1688, 1588 and 1788? And its answer is option B. When did violence end in UK? 1990s, 1966, 1998 and 1992. And it's 1998. So we are going to do true and false question. So just write true or false. UK population is majorly divided into two major sectors of Catholics and Protestants. And just write down it's true or false. And the given statement is true. Now question 2. Democracy involves domination of a particular party. And it's false. Because so many parties can participate in the government. In forming the government, not in the government. Now question 3. Outcomes of politics of social division depends mainly on three factors. And it's true. Now question 4. Social division do not affect politics. And it's false. Because social division can play a very important role in vote bank. And from there politics takes its another color. Now question 5. Political competition along religious ending ethnic lines led to the disintegration of Yugoslavia. And it's true. So going to ask to fill in the blank like question. The social difference are mostly based on accident of birth. Because caste and religion of any people is decided by birth, not on any mark. Now question 2. People who feel marginalized, deprived and discriminated have to fight against the injustice. Now question 3. In democracy, people get the opportunity to choose their leaders. Because people can lose their leaders, so they can rule over them. Now question 4. As per the International Olympic Association, Tommy Smith and John Carlos violated the Olympic spirit by making a political statement. As the players should not done that. But anyways, they have done. Now question 5. In Sri Lanka, there are religious as well as dash differences. And it's linguistic based on the language. So we have done all the question from this chapter. Democracy and diversity. To look objective and MCQ true false and fill in the blank like question, just visit playlist at once. There are separate playlist group. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Have a good day.